Let's talk about avoiding burnout and what you can do about it. Let's face it, we have a lot on our plates and they just keep giving us more servings, to eat every single day. So every time you think you got something conquered, here's something else the teachers have to do. So one of the things we want to really do is make sure that, we really help each other out. Let me give you a couple of ideas. One is, let's say you have 4, 5, 6th grade or 5th, 6th grade team, however it works in your building, and think about what it's like to be in front of that same class all day. And let's say you've got a class of maybe 5 or 6 kids or more that are really kind of push a lot of buttons all day. And it's going to be hard to not feel like burnt out at the end of the day. So perhaps an idea we can do is to mix those kids up. So maybe it's just a Wednesday afternoon team time where you might have 4 classrooms of 5th graders or 2 6th grade classes and 2 5th grade classrooms. And you just have, okay, blue team is going down to Miss Polly, red team is going down to Mr. Jack. And there's a different afternoon and kids get to mix up and have different kids in that group. If it's just once a week, it's going to put you in front of other kids. It's going to put them with a different group of kids and give them a chance to experience something else. The other thing you can do is something I call switch time, which is you switch places with your neighbor. So if it's read aloud time, or maybe it's after a science class or whatever it is, you just switch time. You go into there, you switch your classroom, you're there for 20 minutes. Those kids talk to you. You get to interact with other kids. Other kids get to meet new adults, and it gives you a chance to see new kids in other environments. So when you get frustrated, talk to your colleagues and say, hey, let's switch classes for a morning meeting next week for 2 mornings. The kids are like, what's going on? It's fun, and it helps to really avoid burnout. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.